Lieutenant's personal log, stardate 83067.2. I've just had to post the news that groundskeeper Boothby passed away overnight. His heart finally gave out after 183 years. He's been giving advice to cadets longer than my grandfather's been alive. And it's always been helpful, too. He always knew the right thing to say. He helped me through my 4th year, and also helped me pluck up the courage to ask Mary out. We invited him to our wedding, but he graciously declined by asking me who was going to take care of his prize-winning bed of roses. I guess I was one of the lucky officers. I got to stay in touch with him every week, find out how his hybrid azaleas were growing, and how many first years he'd frightened after they trampled the roses. He was a good man, and he'll be missed by all of us, the last of the great generation.